So I didn't know this was in here, so maybe you didn't either. If you come into Gemini, so gemini.google.com, and you can keep this on the fast model. And if you hit the at, and you can, this is the regular menu, you can choose your model from here, you can choose, if you connect apps, you can choose them from here. What I didn't know is that OpenStax is in here, and I can connect from Gemini directly to OpenStax. So if you don't know what OpenStax is, let me switch over. So they are the world's largest provider of open education resources. So they're part of Rice University, nonprofit, blah, blah, blah. It's their mission to improve educational access and learning for everyone. And they publish high-quality, peer-reviewed, open-licensed college textbooks that are absolutely free. ... You can go to their site, OpenStax, that's OpenStax with an X.org, and see more about it if you're interested. But if I'll go to subjects and all, these are all the areas, all the common areas for college textbooks. So now I can combine that, and I can go from Gemini to OpenStax, and I can have a conversation with any of their textbooks. It's a mountain of information, and Google actually uses OpenStax on the back end for a lot of their applications and new AI things and Google Labs things. I didn't know you could connect to it directly from Gemini. One thing to note is you can't do this yet, anyway, from a business account. So if you have like, Gemini Pro through Google Workspace or whatever, you won't have OpenStax. But anyway, if you do add an OpenStax, and then I'll just ask it, what's the general question? Oops. It's a computational model that could be math, could be physics, could be comp sci, could be lots of things. Now that connects to OpenStax, and that's the OpenStax icon. It's gone now, but and query successful. So that it actually means it tried to reach out to OpenStax, and it successfully did. And then you can read through all that if you're interested in what computational models are. That you probably get more information if you just go to OpenStax. But if I go to sources now, OpenStax, OpenStax, OpenStax. All these sources are OpenStax. So this opens up a lot if you didn't know this was in here. So if you are a teacher, if you're a professor, if you're a tutor, if you're a homeschooler, if you're a student, if you're just someone who likes to learn a lot of things, if you're building applications, etc., there's a mountain of information at OpenStax that you can now connect and pull from Gemini directly. Try that out. So there's a bunch of stuff you can do, but I'll cover some of that probably in future videos. But take a look at that if you're interested, and I will see you next time.